Understand the concept of isomerism. Isomers are molecules that share the same molecular formula, the same number and type of each atom, but have different structural arrangements of those atoms. Determine the molecular formula of the target compound. The given molecule is CH3CH2CHO, propanol. Counting the atoms shows it contains 3 carbon atoms, 6 hydrogen atoms, 1 oxygen atom. Molecular formula C3H6O. Evaluate the molecular formula of choice C. CH3COCH3, propanone or acetone, contains 3 carbon atoms, 6 hydrogen atoms, 3 plus 3, 1 oxygen atom. Molecular formula C3H6O. Confirm the isomeric relationship. Because CH3CH2CHO and CH3COCH3 have the exact same molecular formula but different functional groups. One is an aldehyde, the other is a ketone. They are functional isomers. Conclusion: choice C is the correct answer as it is the only option that contains the exact same number of atoms as the target molecule. The correct answer is option C, CH3COCH3.